Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to disable zoom to fill in YouTube. And now let's dive right in. Now to disable zoom to fill on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And when YouTube loads, guys, on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us just beside the subscriptions. Tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And when you land over here, again you'll be required to tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And when you land on this interface, guys, you can see at the top of the list where it says the general, just above the account. Tap on the general option available for us. And over here, guys, you can see where it says the upload, where it says the zoom to fill screen, just above the uploads. Now in order to disable zoom to fill on YouTube, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option, and then your zoom to fill feature on YouTube will be disabled. And so guys, this is how you'll be able to disable zoom to fill on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.